Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you some of my favorite camping supplies that I find at the dollar store. So I wanted to film outside in front of my camper, and of course it is just starting to rain, so I'm going to make this short and sweet. We love camping. We've done a lot of it over the past few years in our renovated RV. We've done a trip to Moline Lake area, Jasper. This year we plan on doing a couple more, and one of my favorite places to find camping supplies is the dollar store because I'm not spending that much money on supplies while our family camps. Camping is such a great low budget thing to do with your family if you want to go on a vacation, and finding the supplies for camping at the dollar store, whether you're tenting, whether you're RVing it, is a fabulous way to purchase your supplies. So let's get started. So just in case you're new to our channel, we renovated a 1992 fifth wheel RV. We bought the RV for $1,000 off of Kijiji. It was in rough shape. My husband totally ripped off the back of it, some of the floor, and then I repainted and redecorated the whole thing. I will leave a link to all of that down in the description box below. Definitely my favorite DIY to date. We've made so many memories in this camper, and it's been such a great way to camp on a budget, to experience a lot of our province and our country on a budget. I also have a full vlog of one of our camping trips from last year on my YouTube channel here, so I will link to that down below as well. This year we've been to Moline Lake in Jasper National Park. It's an absolutely gorgeous area up our country here in Canada in the Rocky Mountains, beautiful blue-green lakes, lots of things to do like this Moline Lake cruise, and we were able to experience all of this on a budget with our old RV. So whether you're tenting or in an older RV, camping is a wonderful way to vacation as a family without spending too much money. So I thought I'd just share with you some of my dollar store staples. I shop mostly at the Dollarama, which is a dollar store here in Canada. One thing that I like to grab from the dollar store is pancake mix. So whether it's the all-in-one Aunt Jemima or this one, the original, I like to grab pancake mix there. Such a great price. And I had electricity here at this particular campsite, so I was able to use the one where you add the milk and eggs. I do like the taste of that better, but either one works really well for camping. Tarps are another great thing to grab from the dollar store for camping. Whether you're tenting, you can put your tent on that, or just in case of a rainy day and you want to have some sort of shelter, you can also get ropes at the dollar store as well. These simulated wasp nests are great. You can find them at the dollar store. I hadn't seen them until this year at our dollar store, and we're definitely going to use them once we see the wasps come around. I also grabbed some aluminum foil at Dollarama, as well as those aluminum foil containers that you can find at grocery stores. At the dollar store, they're quite a bit cheaper, and I love using these for baking things, whether it's right on the campfire during camping or on our camp stove. So for example, last year I put together a rhubarb crisp, so just really simple rhubarb sugar base with a crumb topping, and then I put it in one of those aluminum containers with aluminum foil on top, baked it right on top of our camp stove, and it turned out so delicious. It was just very simple, but such a nice treat for camping and a beautiful dessert. You could probably cook something similar right over the campfire too. I also found these picnic tablecloth clamps at our dollar store as well. These are something that you don't really think about, but they're really great to bring along camping if it's going to be a windy day. I found the tablecloth at Dollarama as well. Super cute. Of course, I love the aqua color, and having the clips and the tablecloth at our campsite this year was really, really handy. I also found this battery operated lantern at Dollarama, and it's really cool because it has a compass on top. So my girls love to play with the compass. Often we'll just kind of send them off on little trails around the campsite, and the compass was really fun for them to learn, you know, their north, south, east, and west, and also the lantern worked really well at night for us. So those are the main staples that I pick up at our dollar store when I go camping. We've used them already this season, and we're definitely going to use them more as we camp and enjoy the summertime together. Thanks so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know down in those comments below what your favorite dollar store finds are for when you go camping. I would love to hear all of your tips and tricks for things to purchase. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas on a budget. And I'm gonna leave some more videos for you guys to watch right up here.